Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce the SONGMICS Clothes Drying Rack, a versatile and foldable solution for all your laundry needs. With its 4 wings and 33 drying rails, this freestanding rack offers ample space to dry everything from clothes and towels to kids' garments and blankets, making it perfect for large laundry loads. The 27 integrated sock clips are a game changer, keeping your socks, underwear, and other lightweight items securely in place. The top 2 wings are height adjustable, allowing you to customize the drying space for pants, skirts, sheets, and shirts of varying lengths. Best of all, there's no assembly required, simply unfold it and you're ready to go, and when you're done, it folds up easily for convenient storage under your bed or transport to another room. Made with thick steel tubes and durable plastic connectors, this rack is water and rust resistant, ensuring it stands up to wet laundry without a hitch. So, whether you're drying clothes indoors or out on the patio, the SONGMICS Clothes Drying Rack is your go-to solution for efficient and hassle-free laundry days. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.